How to get over your ex in 5 steps. Step 1. Keep yourself busy for 2 to 3 weeks after a breakup. To help yourself feel better, fill your day with self-care and fun activities with your friends and family. Here are some ways to take care of yourself. Spend 15 to 60 minutes in the morning focusing on your intentions. Do a fun exercise like dancing or kickboxing. Take care of your basic needs like eating, bathing, and cleaning your space. Do something nice for yourself like getting a spa treatment or buying a special cup of coffee. Go to work or school. Spend time working on a personal goal or hobby. Step 2. Create a routine to help you take care of your needs. Develop a new schedule for yourself that focuses on the life you want. Be sure to include reminders to keep up with your responsibilities like paying your bills, washing your clothes, and eating healthy meals. During a breakup, taking care of yourself can be really hard. Following a routine can help you keep up with your healthy habits. Step 3. Use distraction to keep your mind off your ex in the first few days. Thinking about your ex and remembering your relationship will only make your pain last longer. Instead, do an activity that requires you to focus on the present to distract yourself from your pain. Pick something that makes you feel happy and helps you have fun without your ex. For instance, invite your friends over for a game night. Go for a nature walk. Do a scavenger hunt. Take a painting class with your friends. Read an exciting book or go to a meetup. Don't use distractions to avoid your feelings altogether. Eventually, you'll need to deal with the painful emotions you're feeling. Step 4. Engage in activities that make you feel good to get a dopamine boost. Replacing the dopamine boost you got from your relationship may help you feel better post-breakup. Do at least one activity every day that makes you feel great. Pick things that are healthy for you and support your lifestyle goals rather than using unhealthy coping strategies. Here are some ideas. Exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Take an art or cooking class. Join a recreational sports team. Get a pet if you've been wanting one. Join a club that's focused on your interests. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Step 5. Surround yourself with friends and family to create a support system. During a breakup, you need to be a part of a community. Reach out to your family and friends for help during this time. Invite them to spend time with you and talk or text with them daily. This can remind you that you're well loved. You might feel tempted to withdraw during a breakup, but you need to be with people you care about. If you don't feel like going out, ask a friend or a relative to do something fun with you at home, like watching a movie or make a craft project. Here are some other things to consider. Get off social media for a bit. Resist the urge to stalk your ex into oblivion. Get rid of ex reminders. Old mementos are best left in the trash. Resist the temptation to stage run-ins. Visualize your future without them. Don't contact them. Get support from friends. Plan a vacation, and if necessary, move or relocate.